Hey guys, I'm so excited to announce our new AI thumbnails. If you've been on Twitter at any point over the last few months, you've probably seen quite a few companies or creators being called out for the use of AI, whether that be for art, translation, thumbnails, whatever. A common critique you've probably seen goes something along the lines of, do you realize how much water you're using? So, how much water is AI actually using, and what is the water even being used for? While current estimates vary wildly, with some sources saying that ChatGPT alone uses 500,000 to 1 million gallons a day, whereas other sources say that it uses closer to 39 million gallons a day. Either way, it definitely sounds like a lot of water is being used, but the numbers don't tell the full story. Running and especially training of AI models requires massive computing power, which happens inside data centers. You can think of these as giant warehouses filled with servers. As AI runs, these servers generate a lot of heat, just like your PC when it's working hard. To keep everything cool and running smoothly, data centers need cooling systems, many of which rely on water. There are two main cooling methods that data centers use, and the first one is evaporative cooling. Water is circulated through cooling towers and exposed to air, which causes some of it to evaporate, and this absorbs heat, thus cooling the system. The other common method is a chilled water system. Water is cooled in a central chiller and then pumped through pipes, where it absorbs heat from the air inside the data center. The water then loops back to the chiller to cool down again. Of course, some water is lost through evaporation, especially with evaporative cooling, but most of it is actually recycled. But what does this mean for you specifically? Let's say you make 20 ChatGPT prompts in a day. That uses about 0.75 liters of water, compared to a 10-minute shower using 90 liters of water and making a beef burger using 2,400 liters. This means that one shower is equal to 2,400 prompts, and making a beef burger is equal to 64,000 prompts. But where AI's water use becomes a larger concern is when data centers are located in drought-prone or water-stressed regions. Take Chile's Santiago metropolitan area for example, home to a major Google data center since 2015. For context, Chile has been in a mega drought since 2010, experiencing over a decade of unusually low rainfall and significant groundwater over extraction. And while Google has publicly stated that it aims to operate sustainably, investigative reports in 2021 revealed that the facility requested a permit to withdraw up to 169 million liters of water per year. This raised alarms among local residents, who were already facing water rationing and drought restrictions. They found it unfair that a tech giant could use so much water while theirs was cut back, arguing that even efficient water use adds up in a drought-stricken region. This sparked protests and political discussions regarding Chile's water code, which has historically allowed privatization and trading of water rights. And this led to Google halting their plans for a second $200 million data center in Santiago. Anyway, thanks for watching, bye.